Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to easily edit the title of a channel video chat on the Telegram app for PC using the newest update. This quick guide will take you through every step so you can update your live stream title seamlessly. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's running, head over to the channel where you want to edit the video chat title. Next, look at the top right area of your screen and click on the call icon. It's the middle icon among the call options. From here, select Start Live Stream. This will initiate a live stream setup for your channel. Choose your account that you want to stream from and then click Continue to proceed. Now, when your live stream has started, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the live stream window to open more options. In this menu, select Edit Live Stream Title. Type in your new title or make any changes you want. Finally, click Save to update the live stream title. And that's it. You've successfully edited the title of your channel's video chat live stream on Telegram for PC. This quick update helps you keep your stream clear and engaging for your viewers. Thank you for watching.